Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. By tapping into the power of AI, you can get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 6, 2023, our system has classified Palantir as a sell candidate with a score of -2.73. Now, let's examine how the stock has actually performed during this period. Surprisingly, Palantir has outperformed our system's prediction, with a gain of 1.98%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.13% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently within a strong upward trend, presenting a potential buying opportunity. If the stock price falls below $16.26, it may indicate a slower rate of increase or a possible change in trend. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 12.23% change in the stock price over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging from 4.45% to 43.39%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 153.34% change in the stock price over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging from 136.65% to 229.39%. In other words, the stock price could reach anywhere between $41.34 and $57.54 after a year. Our latest daily update for Palantir brings news on the stock price. On Wednesday, the stock closed at $17.47, showing a decline of 1.19%. The Palantir stock experienced a decrease of 1.19% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, December 27, 2023. The price went down from $17.68 to $17.47. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $17.45 and a high of $17.91, representing a 2.64% range. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -0.17%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased along with the stock, which is generally considered a positive indication. The volume dropped by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 29 million shares being traded for approximately $511.14 million. Looking at the 52-week period, the highest stock price reached $21.85, while the lowest was at $5.84. Currently, the price stands at $17.47, which is 20.05%, equivalent to $4.38, lower than the 52-week high. It is also 61.18%, equivalent to $27.53, lower than the all-time high recorded on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR an underweight grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Palantir. Let's start with the positive news. There is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that we need to consider, which may have an impact on the near short-term development. The stock of Palantir currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On the upside, if the stock corrects upward, there will be some resistance from the lines at $17.60 and $18.73. Breaking above these levels will issue buy signals. However, it's important to note that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, and so far the stock has fallen by -18.13%. This indicates a further fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator is giving a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 26 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following. The short moving average suggests a sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average gives a buy signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. When it comes to support, Palantir has found a strong level at $17.36. This means that when the stock price approaches this level, it tends to bounce back up. So, if the stock price reaches $17.36, it could be a good buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction from this support level. Moving on to risk, Palantir is considered to have medium risk. It has average movements during the day and a good trading volume. This means that the stock price doesn't have extreme fluctuations and is relatively stable. Looking at the recent data, we can see that in the last day, the stock price moved $0.460 between its highest and lowest point, which is equivalent to a 2.64% change. And over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.66%. This gives us an idea of how much the stock price can fluctuate on a daily basis. Before we begin discussing potential trading levels for Palantir, let's start by understanding some crucial fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Palantir's PE ratio is quite high, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's important to note that it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $0.0800. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they have the potential to significantly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. If Palantir experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch is $17.84. If you're not already invested, it may be prudent to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For current shareholders, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $17.36. Should this support hold, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Palantir from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 6, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold a total of 27,608 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Cohen Stephen Andrew sold 500,000 shares of Class B common stock. On December 4, 2023, Cohen Stephen Andrew sold 156,100 shares of Class B common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -22.226. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 8,155,717 shares and sold 13,173,755 shares. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Palantir stock a good buy? The Palantir stock currently has several negative signals. Despite the positive trend, we believe that Palantir will perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. After carefully analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. When trading resumes on Thursday, December 28, we expect Palantir to open up with a gain of $0.140 and start trading at $17.61. Before we get started, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be sharing our current view on this stock. We would love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Now, let's dive into the analysis and set our target for this stock. Stay tuned and let's have a successful trading journey together. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.